Tired of messy veggie prep? Let's explore the best food choppers for veggies that make slicing, dicing, and chopping effortless. Stay tuned to find the perfect kitchen companion. Number 1. Ganiza choppers for veggies. For those who love efficient and effortless food prep, this versatile chopper is a game changer in the kitchen. With two durable bowls, one made of glass and the other of stainless steel, you can easily separate ingredients, maintaining hygiene and avoiding cross-contamination. Whether you need to chop meat, fish, vegetables, nuts, or frozen fruit, this chopper is equipped to handle it all. It's also perfect for making guacamole, salads, or other finely processed foods. The combination of an 8-cup capacity in both bowls ensures ample space for large portions, making meal preparation more convenient than ever. The powerful full copper motor sets this food processor apart from competitors. Unlike regular motors, this one boasts a 3 times longer lifespan, ensuring durability and efficiency. Safety is also a top priority with this model, featuring an innovative automatic stopping design. The spring-loaded blades stop rotating immediately when the motor is removed, preventing accidental injuries. This makes it a great option for families, offering peace of mind when children are around. Additionally, the overheating protection system ensures longevity, preventing potential damage due to excessive use. If the machine ever stops working due to overheating, a short cool-down period will restore it to full functionality. Another highlight of this chopper is its dual-speed functionality. The powerful 450-watt motor, certified for professional use, pairs with upgraded stainless steel blades designed in an S shape. This design allows for precise cutting, quickly transforming any ingredient into finely chopped pieces. Number 2. Hamilton choppers for veggies. Designed for those who love efficiency in the kitchen, this food processor is a powerhouse that simplifies meal prep. With its innovative stack and snap technology, assembling and disassembling the unit is effortless. No frustrating twist lock mechanisms to deal with. Whether you're slicing, shredding, chopping, mixing, or pureeing, this processor tackles every task with ease, making it an invaluable tool for any home cook. One of the standout features of this model is its 12-cup sealed bowl. Unlike smaller food processors that require multiple batches for large recipes, this one can handle bigger quantities at once. The sealed design also prevents messy leaks or spills, ensuring a cleaner and more efficient cooking experience. In addition, the big mouth chute is a game changer for reducing prep time, allowing you to process whole potatoes, tomatoes, or cucumbers without pre-cutting. For smaller ingredients like carrots or celery, the 2-in-1 chute system ensures better control and precision. Powering through tough ingredients is effortless, thanks to the robust 450-watt motor. From shredding cheese and potatoes to slicing delicate tomatoes or chopping onions and herbs, this processor delivers consistent results every time. Stability is also a priority, with suction cup feet preventing unwanted movement during operation. This ensures a safer and more controlled experience, even when working with large quantities of food. Number 3. KitchenAid choppers for veggies. Perfect for small kitchens or quick meal prep, this compact yet powerful mini food processor offers a blend of convenience and performance. The 3.5-cup work bowl provides ample capacity for everyday chopping needs, from dicing vegetables to preparing dressings and sauces. With a locking blade, handle, and pour spout, serving directly from the bowl is both clean and easy, making it a great addition to any kitchen. This mini processor is designed with simplicity in mind. Featuring 2 speeds and a pulse operation, users can achieve precise control over textures. Whether you're aiming for a chunky pico de gallo or a smooth hummus, the adjustable settings allow for versatile food preparation. The drizzle basin adds another level of functionality, making it easier to mix in liquids while processing, ensuring evenly blended sauces and dressings. Lightweight and compact, this chopper is an excellent choice for small kitchens or those who want a portable food prep solution. Despite its size, it delivers impressive power, making quick work of ingredients without taking up too much counter space. Cleaning is effortless, with a dishwasher-safe bowl, lid, and blade, ensuring a hassle-free experience. For those who need a simple, efficient, and space-saving chopper, this KitchenAid model is a fantastic option. It delivers reliable performance without overwhelming users with unnecessary complexity, making it ideal for everyday use. Number 4. Once choppers for veggies. A well-equipped kitchen is essential for hassle-free meal preparation, and this innovative vegetable slicer brings efficiency and safety to every cook's routine. Designed with a hidden blade system, this mandolin slicer ensures safety while offering uniform slicing at a rapid pace. Unlike traditional slicers that require frequent blade changes or protective gloves, this upgraded model eliminates such concerns, making it a user-friendly and time-saving solution. Whether you are an amateur home cook or a professional chef, this slicer enhances kitchen productivity, making meal prep seamless and effortless. One of its standout features is the upgraded large-capacity feeding port and container. This improvement allows users to chop, slice, julienne, and dice a substantial amount of food in one go without the need for blade replacement. The slicer offers adjustable thickness ranging from 0.1 mm to 8 mm, making it suitable for slicing a variety of vegetables such as potatoes, carrots, cucumbers, and more. The ability to switch between different cutting modes with ease ensures versatile cooking possibilities, making it an indispensable tool for preparing meals efficiently. Cleaning up after cooking is often tedious, but this slicer simplifies the process with its collapsible design. Number 5. Jonscook choppers for veggies. For those seeking a vegetable chopper that prioritizes both efficiency and safety, this mandolin food slicer is a game changer. Designed with built-in blades, it eliminates the risk of accidental cuts, making it ideal for households with children or elderly users. Unlike traditional slicers that require direct contact with sharp edges or frequent blade replacements, this innovative design ensures maximum safety and convenience. With no need for protective gloves, users can enjoy a seamless chopping experience, making food preparation quicker and safer. One of the most impressive aspects of this chopper is its ease of use. Equipped with an adjustable thickness dial and knobs, it offers multiple slicing, dicing, and chopping options with a simple adjustment. Users can easily switch between different functions, including julienning carrots, slicing cucumbers, dicing tomatoes, and even making French fries. Cleaning and maintenance are often a concern with kitchen gadgets, but this chopper is designed to be user-friendly. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.